If your team needs more clarity, alignment and accountability, or to speed up onboarding of new people, then an alternative org chart in Maptio can help. Let's have a little look at how. The heart of Maptio is the visualization in a pattern of nested circles, the new modern standard for org charts. The big circle represents the overall purpose or vision that everything is working towards, and the smaller circles represent the ever more specific teams or areas of responsibility or initiatives that contribute to the vision, giving you clarity over how everything is aligned. If I click on a circle, we can see who's involved in each part of the initiative and what their specific roles are. And we can add vacant roles to show where more help is needed. We can link out to the documents, tools, and other systems that people use to manage their work. And you can customize a set of tags that can be added to circles to map categories or themes across an initiative. For example, showing which circles are customer facing and which are back office, or the status of circles, and many other uses. And if I like, I can then filter the map to show circles that have particular tags, like this. On the left is an expandable view of all of your circles. From here, it's really quick and easy to add a new subcircle to the map. Let's add one inside here. This is a new circle. And then we can start adding all of the details, putting in some tags, selecting who's leading it or who's the source of it, adding more people, and any roles that we want to assign those people. So Maptio gives you a helicopter view of how everything fits together to help you think it through, make improvements, and to communicate it visually. Once you've created your map, you can share it with the world. If you click the share button, you can enable a public map and you get an explorable map on a public URL, a bit like this. It can also be embedded in other websites, and we give you the HTML code to do that. The directory view shows all of the people in the initiative. If I click on someone, I can see which circles they're leading and which circles they're not leading, but they're contributing in some other way, and I can see what all of their roles are. I can also see who else is involved in those things alongside them and their roles too. It's like a modern, dynamic form of job description that evolves over time and reflects what's actually going on. This is really useful for onboarding new people. Give them access to Maptio and they'll quickly learn who's involved in what and figure out where they can contribute. The directory view also allows us to see the full list of roles from across the map. We can see whereabouts those roles show up, and we can also see which circles have vacancies so that people can be more self-organizing and get involved where help is needed. Maptio also has a network view of your initiative, showing the connections between people who work together. This is a powerful way to visually demonstrate that there's a non-hierarchical structure as well as the pattern of nested circles, and it can highlight areas of less resilience, like here we've got a founder who is leading too many things. In the organization settings, you can invite colleagues to Maptio, either with permissions to edit the map or not. And you can also create as many maps as you like for your organization. There's no limit within your subscription, and everyone you invite will have access to them all. Creating additional maps can be really useful if you want to model a potential new structure or have a separate map for a different view, such as a talent map or a map of your wider ecosystem. We made Maptio simple and flexible, so you can find all sorts of creative uses for maps in nested circles. So that's a quick tour of Maptio. You can start a free trial right now from maptio.com, and with our amazing self-set pricing, Maptio is affordable for every purpose-driven initiative on the planet. On our Learning Hub, we also have a free short video series where I'll teach you the practice of thinking through how you're organised and get it mapped. And from the Learning Hub, you can also email our support team, or you can book a free Zoom help call and we'll talk you through any questions that you've got.